Hello there. I just bought this the other week at a car boot. It's a bit unusual. Sort of like a one-handled old brace. Bit cramped in here, so because it's pouring the rain outside. I didn't want to go inside and do it because it's the fumes off of the paint. But it was pretty solid. But I've got it going now. This all moves now. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. So we've got that bit done. The only problem is it's got this paint on it, and I've tried to do it with what do you call it? Paint stripper, and it's not having it. So I'm just having a go with the old paint heat gun. Can you see that? Just move this a little bit. There you go. Right. I've got a little... Can you see what I'm doing? I've got a little nozzle for this somewhere, but... if I can find everything I've got, I'll be a millionaire. Make a few lines in it, let the heat get in. God knows what it is, it must be some sort of flooring paint or something. So I've had it soaking for about an hour with the paint stripper, but not doing any good. So stand by, I'm afraid. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Fumes are getting down there. I've got a weak chest anyway. Not very clever then. Right. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, we've got it quite down with the old heat gun. Now it was getting a bit sort of creamy as it got warm. God knows what this is, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So I'll just sort of do it with this rather than sandpaper, because it won't make lines and that on it. So I might have burnt it there actually. Don't think it'll matter. That's come out rather nice, I think. Can you see it? Yeah. Oops, still up. Have a look on the other side. Hi-ho. Yeah, so she's coming on. Right, got all that rubbed down, come out quite nice. So I think I got a bit overindulgent with the heat gun there a little bit, but I don't think I'm going to bother too much about it. In fact, no, I'm not. That'll be alright. Now, just going to make it a little bit darker. Medium. I used to get all this out of houses when we done our health insurance business, but things are starting to run out now, so I just bought these in Wilkinson's. I'm not really trying to do anything with this other than... Oh, God, this is too dark. Oh, never mind. I was trying to make it look like the other one. Mind you, it does look rather sexy. I have to do the other one now, I guess. Anyway, we'll let that dry and see what we're going to do with it. Alright, I thought I'd just give it a bit of a bash with the wire. Whoop, sorry. With the wire. Kick the tripod. With the wired brush attachment. Not really going to try and shine it up or anything, just to dry it, because it's a little bit... I'll give it rather a lot of oil in that. So here we go. Living drills and car boots. Keep stopping. So I suppose you pay, you get what you pay for. £3. I just thought this would look better. A bit drier. I forgot to do this, didn't I? La 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 la. That's the general idea. I'll just have a little touch up around there. Right, so that's done. That's as much as we really want done. Let's give it a drop of white spirit. I don't know if you need to do this, but I always do it. So. I think it sort of gives it a bit of a clean. It dries pretty quick as well. any old rubbish off of there. Oh, got some numbers here, I think. Hey, I don't know there's any numbers there. Very interesting. Right. Alright guys, here we are again. Linseed oil. For no other reason. And I've got a load of this at the moment. So, I mean, it could be anything really. Wax. Ordinary oil, anything really. I might just put it on to save it rusting up again. Too much on. Hope you can see. Let me see if you can see. Yeah. Yep, that'll do. I should probably give this a little buff up later, but I probably won't. Near enough lost the light now today, so you'll have to take my word for it. A little bit of wax on there. Oh. I don't want to put the oil on here. I don't want to make it look too shiny. It's only I buy these stuff in cheap and then try and sell it off cheapish on eBay. So, I mean, that goes, hopefully go to somebody who's either going to use it, which I very much doubt, or restore it up properly. Well, that's the plan anyway. There, that'll do. I've got the scrubbing brush out there. Keep it off the thing a bit. That's it. We've got a plan. Okay. And that is pretty much that, really. So I probably will go over it, especially the metal, because it does give it a nice little bit of a sheen, the old linseed oil. Well, I think it does anyway. And make it all so it's all nice and dry is my main thing. And that's pretty much that. So thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.